Hi everybody, this is Ann Valenza of the Valenza team, and today at our house on the hill we have all of our knives out, and our Cutco rep Emily Schmick is here. Emily, you want to tell us what you're doing today?
Yes, so I have my sharpening kit here, and I am sharpening all of your knives that you've had for 20 years.
20 years.
So we're getting them all sharpened, and that's part of the free forever guarantee.
And so for our real estate clients, we give a Cutco gift, and Emily, you can see me in the knife. Emily, or maybe it's you. Emily sells us these engraved knives that have the Valenza team on them, and our clients really like them. So we really enjoy working with Emily, and we're excited to get our knives sharpened today. Have a good one.